Here's a pair of the AirPods Max 2. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Chromebook via Bluetooth. First thing is go to the settings on your Chromebook where you can click on that little launcher down there on the bottom left hand side. Click on that and you want to go to settings. You might have to click like the up arrow here and just look for your settings app here. And mine is right there. I'll go to settings. And then from here we want to select Bluetooth right there. And now make sure that Bluetooth is toggled on, and then we're going to tap pair new device right here. Select pair new device, and now it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. So now we got to hurry up and put these into pairing mode. Now we got two buttons here. We have a digital crown button and a noise cancellation button. The only thing we want to do is just press and hold the noise cancellation button until the light down here starts blinking white. Okay, so noise cancellation button, press and hold, ready, set, go. Press and hold and just keep holding until the light starts blinking white here. I'm still holding. Okay, now it's blinking white. Now the headphones are in pairing mode, okay? So now we should be able to find it here. Let's see if it finds it. No, it's still in the pairing mode. Still waiting here. Okay, there it is right there. Okay, sometimes it takes too long. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and select AirPods Max. Oops, I did the wrong one. And now it says pairing. If it takes too long to find it, just cancel it and just go ahead and rescan it again, okay? Anyway, we can see that we're connected here under Bluetooth. It's the AirPod Max right there. Now, if you had an issue pairing or connecting the headphones, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.